Hey guys, let's learn some more basic Python programs. First, ASCII value of a character. Second, sum of squares of first and natural numbers. Third, cube sum of first and natural numbers. Fourth, find sum of array. Fifth, largest element in an array. First, ASCII value of a character. Let's do programming. C is equal to in quotes G, then next line print in parenthesis in quotes the ASCII value of in single quotes in that double quotes plus C plus then is comma ORD in parenthesis C. Let's just save this file. Save as, give name as a ASCII.py, then save, go to run module. Then you can see the output. The ASCII value of G is 103. Second, sum of squares of first and natural numbers. Let's do programming. Def square sum in parenthesis and colon, then next sm is equal to 0, then for I in range in parenthesis 1 comma n plus 1 colon, then sm is equal to sm plus in parenthesis I into I, then next line return sm, then next n is equal to 5, then next print in parenthesis square sum in parenthesis n, then save this file, save as, give file name square.py. Save this file, go to run module. You can see the output 55. Third, cube sum of first and natural numbers. Def sum of series in parenthesis and colon, then next sum is equal to 0, then for I in range in parenthesis 1 comma n plus 1 colon, then sum plus is equal to I into I return sum n is equal to 4, print in parenthesis sum of series in parenthesis n. Let's save this file, save as, give file name as cubesum.py. Save this file, run module. You can see the output 100. Fourth, find sum of array. Def underscore sum in parenthesis r colon, then next sum is equal to 0, then for I in r colon sum is equal to sum plus I return in parenthesis sum r is equal to brackets, r is equal to brackets, in that 12, 3, 4, 15. Then next line, n is equal to len in parenthesis r. Answer is equal to underscore sum in parenthesis r. Then next print in parenthesis in quotes sum of the array is comma answer. Save this file, save as, give file name array sum.py. Save this file, go to run module. You can see the output sum of the array is 34. 5 largest element in an array. Def largest in parenthesis r comma and colon. Next max is equal to r in brackets 0 for I in range in parenthesis 1 comma and colon. If r in brackets I is greater than max colon. Next max is equal to r in brackets I. Next return max, then r is equal to in brackets 10 comma 565 comma 75 comma 903. N is equal to len in parenthesis r. Then next answer is equal to largest in parenthesis r dot comma and print in parenthesis in quotes largest in given array is comma answer. Let's save this file, save as, give file name largest array.py. Save this file, run module. You can see the output largest in a given array is 903.